Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am doing a little clean with me in my family room, packing away some of my Christmas items. As you can see here, the tree is down, but I do have some things that I do need to put away, and I need to clean my family room. I'm starting with my coffee table here, taking all of my decor off of it. The centerpiece, I'm starting with what I did. I just wrapped a wreath, cut a wreath rather, and I placed it around this silver candle holder. This was in my Goodwill challenge for Christmas, and I'm going to clean this coffee table off with this glass and surface cleaner from Dollar Tree. I've been using this cleaner for years. I will put this up against Windex, okay? That's how much I love this glass cleaner. Love the fact that it foams up and it cleans glass really, really good. Also, I have a little shelf at the bottom of my coffee table, and I'm just dusting that area as well. Now those trees left a lot of glitter. Now I'm climbing up on my mirror to remove. I'm going to call this a type of teardrop, ornament teardrop that was given to me. Now my focus is going to be on this area here, this table, this half moon table is what I call it. I'm going to remove everything off of it, Christmassy anyway, leaving my movie box and a home sign that I picked up from Target. I had to go retrieve my lamp that I used in my dining room. I'm going to place these back in here. This year I'm going to look for some new lamp shades just to give me a different look. These make the room darker, even though they're pretty. And I found them thrifting, by the way. I've had them in here since we've moved in and in my previous home, and I want a little different look. Right now I'm trying out a lantern here and I'm not feeling it. I'm just gonna let it sit there for now and see how I like it. Then I'm moving over here to this area here. I'm gonna call this my little staging area where I'm gonna hold everything until I get my family room squared away. I'm just going to move to my fireplace here. I dusted it previously, but I want to give it a once over again, making sure I have all of the glitter and the pine needles and everything off of it. So I'm just moving quickly on it. I'm using that Swifter multi-purpose cleaner. That's getting difficult to find. I can't find it in the big box stores anymore. I can find it, however, in Lowe's and Home Depot. Been using this for years and I love it as well. Now I'm getting ready to vacuum, so I pull out my Sharp vacuum cleaner and I'm vacuuming my floor. And I usually go over my floor twice. And guys, I still see glitter all over my floor. I probably will see glitter until May. A tip here with vacuuming, the work or the real hard work is when you pull back on your vacuum cleaner, I heard, not the motion of pulling forward. The vacuum picks up more when you pull back, so you need to go slow. That's a tip that I read this past week as far as cleaning. I love this vacuum cleaner because I have one button on it that I switch from carpet to hard floor. And the suction is great. This was a true investment in this vacuum cleaner. Now right here, I just decided to take a coffee break. And as you can see, I'm still staring at that lantern. I'm not feeling it. I had lanterns there for Christmas that were gold, and I guess that's what it is. I like the sparkly, and that lantern just wasn't doing it for me. So I'm just thinking about it a little bit more. Now to mop my floor. This is one of my favorites, guys. Fabuloso and this apple scent with baking soda. Oh, it has my house smelling so fresh and so clean. Yeah, I'm removing the lantern. I told you I wasn't filling it, and I'm placing it with this candle holder, this tea light candle holder that I will place tea light candles in later. Now on to my coffee table. I'm not really trying to style my family room, but I am placing pieces out that I want to use. I'm not going to overdo it, just keeping it simple. Now to work on this corner, bringing my bin in so I can put my Christmas decor away. Sad, but to put it away until later this year. And guys, I don't try to overload my bins. I gently place everything in the bin. And I will store this away. I'm also removing these boxes here, and I've cleaned my table and placed these few items on this end table. Bringing back the storage ottomans in front of my fireplace. And I'm pretty much done here, guys. I'm ready to sit down, enjoy a little TV or YouTube on TV, and relax because I'm loving my clean family room. Well, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope this is inspiring and motivates you to clean. That's why I do these videos. I like to sit here and watch clean with me videos, and it gets me to like, okay, get up and get to moving. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can also be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.